recording this on my iPhone. Sorry. Also, my friends are sleeping over, so I can't be super loud. I spent more money on Mustangs, so I pre-ordered their album, but it just came in like 2 days ago. I'm a little upset with Starship, but it's okay. Give her a pass. Don't you love how they literally use Mustang's tape to tape the poster to the box? Poor poster. No, I got the albums obviously, but I also ordered a journal because I'm like getting to bullet journaling because I need to organize my life. I got their journal. It's really pretty. This is like legit. Moleskin Mustangs is coming for your brand. Stickers. I appreciate this. It's grid. I mean, I love the way non-lined paper looks, but bitch, when I'm fucking writing, it starts straight and then ends up like this. Love the detail. Four of the same photo. Love that. Alright, so there are 4 versions, right? Version 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously. But I don't know if there's like a version that's just like alone because ARY. Like, that's not a pretty album cover. Obviously, it's supposed to be connected like this. But I would have thought, oh, maybe, you know, there's like a carrying case or like a box, like the beautiful album was. Now, I'm not gonna open every single one on here because there's tons of unboxing videos online, I'm sure. So we're just gonna quickly skim. Oh my god. Oh, June is so cute. That is so cute. I got foundation. So literally all the brown paper is like the liner notes, the credits. Everything else is just pictures. Love that. I wasn't gonna open the other ones, but I want to see what photo cards I got. The way that the photo cards are put in here, it literally looks like they just threw some cards in there. Love that Starship. Oh no. I'm not gonna look. You guys get to see first. Alright, same thing. More Juon. A Minhyuk. And I am. And Youngwon. Counting on you, Starship. Alright. 1-0. Oh. I was like, whatever, so I put it aside. But now that I'm actually looking at the other side,